Subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon now so that you will be notified for all future video uploads. Hello everyone, myself Nidhi. As we can see, tassels are in great trend nowadays. We can use tassels in saris, kurtis, blouses, lehengas, etc. Today I am going to show you two different tassels latkans or hanging design that you can make at home. So for making the first latkan, we need a thin wire, needle, zardozi or golden color thread, anchor thread of two different colors and a scissor. So firstly I am going to teach you how to make tassels. For this, take anchor thread, I am taking this green color anchor thread. Now at the top of this anchor thread, leave around 1/4 inch space and start wrapping this golden color thread around it like this. Wrap it tightly and neatly. Now tie a knot like this. Give 2-3 knots to secure it properly. Similarly, at the bottom of the anchor thread, wrap this golden thread in the same manner. Now cut this anchor thread from the middle according to the length you want for the tassels. Similarly, I'll prepare some more green color tassels. In the same way, make one more pink color tassels as well. But the length of this pink color tassel should be little bit more than that of others. Now take this thin wire and cut it accordingly to the size you want for the circle, or we can say bangle. Then insert these tassels in it one by one. Keep this pink color tassel in the middle. Now I am inserting these big pearls on both the sides. And also some small pearls as well. Now hold both the ends of this wire together and wrap a cello tape around it so that the pointed edges of the wire won't poke out. Then wrap this pink color anchor thread over the cello tape. And tie a knot. Now put the needle at the center of the bangles. And insert these pearls and beads of your choice. I am inserting this small pearl at the end. And then bring the needle back in the same direction. At the top also I am adding some pearl. And tie a knot. See how beautiful it looks. Our first tassel latkan is ready. Now for making the second latkan we need leftover lace or any fabric out of which you want to make latkan, needle, anchor thread and a golden color thread. I already made some tassels from anchor thread. Now take this lace and cut it around 7 inches. Then we fold it like this from the opposite side and then sew it from the 3 sides. We keep one side open. Now from the open side turn it like this. Then we add these tassels over here. So hand sew these tassels one by one on 2 sides. it look like this. Then fill it with some scrap fabric which I roughly cut. Need some more fabric to fill it fully. Now we'll turn it like this towards inside. We also place dori over here. Then we'll sew it. Insert dori as well over here and sew it. Our beautiful tassel latkan is ready. You can use it in blouses, kurtis and even in lehengas. Hope you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any query, please let us know in the comment section below. Thank you.